This tutorial is going to demonstrate creating advanced paths on the RisiStone Advanced Paver Calculator. This tool is for preliminary feasibility and estimation purposes only. We recommend watching the previous tutorials if you haven't already. Let's begin. I've added a house to the top right as we are drawing a path to it. We also plan to draw a path through these trees and connect it to the other side of the patio. Starting with selecting the Straight tool and drawing a line from the patio, click and drag to create your line, then click again to create another node. Now, right-click and select Curve so we can extend the path to the house. You can now right-click and select Convert to Path. We are going to use 2.91 feet for the width. To match our patio, we will choose Mesa Flagstone in Sierra Gray and add a Holland charcoal border. We are going to send the path to the bottom and then label our path Path to House. Select the Curve tool from the green menu. A tip when creating a curve is that to bend the angle down, click and move your cursor to the left. To bend the curve upwards, click and move your cursor to the right of the starting node. Then, right-click again on the path. Click Convert to Path and select 2.91 feet. Then add a Holland border in charcoal. Once again, you can see that the path is on top of the patio, so we will just send it to the bottom. Click and drag on the curve to adjust the bend. You can also select the nodes and adjust those as needed. For this example, we want to go around the trees. Now, label your path Path to Patio. It's a best practice to label everything while drawing, because when you generate a quick estimate or report, it lets you know how much product is needed for each section. Click Quick Estimate to see all the materials needed for each section. Stay tuned for our next tutorial, where we will be creating an advanced patio and pool.